There is a video of Gdragon going viral on social media in Korea, where it was shown that he was recording something, maybe a song. What caught the attention of everyone was that the people's reaction on that, because the people were gasping by hearing his recording, maybe the reaction was over his singing or voice.
It's good day, open my window. I saw it turn out. Man said to do.
와, 야, 미쳤어, 쟤.
나는 지금 뭘 생각하고 어디에.
After the video were posted with not so good caption, then thousands of people were replying too, but with not so good response and saying why they were even gasping. Was it a social experiment or something? Or they were trying so hard to impress him? I'll not say anything as I'm not a vocal expert or has much idea about vocal related. But what do you think about their reaction? They were doing so much or they were being normal?
Because we are so objective.